I go here.
Oh, yeah, Priya here. And today we're going to play some more Spleef. That was really fun when we did it last time.
The last time was so funny, so let's get off of this tree and go play some Spleef.
Oh, I thought I was going to do it all. Ooh, ice cream truck.
Yum. I want some ice cream.
Okay, so we have decided to do regular Spleef this time.
Because we have not done regular Spleef yet.
Hug the wall a little bit.
Hug it. Yay.
Cool.
4, 3, 2.
Oh, is it just you and me? Oh.
No.
Okay.
There's another guy. I know, right?
Oh, jump boost. Oh gosh, this jump boost is scary. Do you have jump boost?
Yeah.
This is scary. Oh, lag.
I know, I have lag too.
I feel like my haste isn't very well.
No!
Did you already die?
Yeah! Oh my god.
Oh my, so now you're a spectator. Cheer me on.
Go, Priya!
Oh gosh.
Kill the other guy! He does not deserve to... I actually saw that!
Oh no!
Okay.
Okay, well that was a very short round. Let's do Cake Spleef!
Yay! Cake Spleef!
Cake Spleef is my favorite.
So just
need
hug
to
the wall
a little bit.
Hug the wall.
It's just us
It's
this round
just
too.
us! Last time it was just us and we had so much fun!
Yeah, and it lasted for like 10 days.
Yeah.
Then what it felt like the last, I guess, 100 rounds. Okay. Oh gosh. Who's gonna win this time? Redemption. Oh, why did I start with nausea?
Ha!
It's fair because... Oh, did you already fall?
No, I did that on purpose.
I have no more nausea, so...
Lag.
Ah, lag. Gosh, I'm scared. Good job, Buracondo. Trying to say these names is hard. Oh! Nausea. Oh gosh. Are we on the last floor already? Oh, lag. Okay. We are. Wow, this is fast. Last round took like 10 ages.
I know.
Lag! Stop doing this to me. Good job, Hexevil.
Hexevil.
Stop matrixing me!
Hexevil. Hexevil.
Hexevil.
Hexevil.
Hexevil. It's like, good job, Marketrager04. Are you just gonna run?
Knock Weiger. Six stepper. Configure.
What?
I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm trying, okay?
I almost just went in one of my holes. Make it line. Wow, Spleef is lasting too long.
I know.
You're just really bad at this. Now you matrixed me. No! Don't matrix me. Good job. I'm not even gonna try.
Zayuto! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Wow, you did it.
I can count! Counting with Crano, guys!
Another Hexevil. Good job.
Oh, yeah. Hexavol. Did you just fall?
No.
It looked like you fell.
That's just what happened with you. Oh my gosh. Are you matrixing me again? Oh my gosh, stop doing that. You always freak me out. We're still just running in circles.
This might take a while, guys.
Oh gosh. Ooh, I'm in the light. Am I shining like a vampire? X! Wait, I just made
I won! Yeah!
I blame it on the lag.
I won.
I blame it on the lag.
I won. Okay, should we do another one?
Sure.
Okay.
Wait, I've never read these signs before. What does it say?
Let's do pizza.
Okay.
Pizza,
So we're
pizza.
doing all three this time.
Just kind of hug the wall.
Just kind of hug the wall.
Kind of, yeah.
Oh, we're in with Hexival.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Hexable.
He won two rounds.
I hope he doesn't watch our videos, because if I say it wrong, I'll feel bad. Hexable.
Backyard again.
No, that's the one I said. Remember? Bayard car,
1453. 1435 minute.
Kitty bug. That's new. That's new.
Queen won a team? What the heck?
I'm with PP.
I'm with PP. We could team together.
We could
Type fast.
all team.
Okay. Yay! We're in a team with the best person in the game. Hexival. I'm pretty sure it's Hexival. He's pretty good at this, right? He's won. Surprised he wanted a team
He just
with us.
matrixed me. I almost walked in my own hole. Yay!
Yay! Teamwork. Is it just us?
That's awkward.
That's awkward. This is awkward.
Why are people hitting me?
It's just me, you, and Hexival. Oh.
Hexa will quit. So it's just us.
Oh gosh, okay. Awkwardness is over.
At least he
What
quit.
is hitting me?
Not me. I'm winning the opposite side of you.
Oh, good job, Metal Knight. Stop matrixing. Oh, I have slowness. Secretly, but I don't. It just feels like I do. I've never actually seen The Matrix.
I haven't either.
Just guessing. This
Yeah,
is what
just
it's
guessing.
like. I've seen Tron.
Haven't even seen that.
You haven't seen Tron?
No.
Gosh, the pressure is on.
He.
The person who's spectating us, they're probably like, wow, these people suck.
I know, right?
Remember when Hexabug? Remember when Hexival? Oh, nausea, oh no. Want to be on a team
I don't
with
have
us?
nausea.
I know, only I do.
I have slowness, I think. No, I don't.
It feels like you do, though. Yes! Okay!
Okay, that will be it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Yay!
It wasn't as funny as last time, though. But I still hope you
that's
guys
an awkward
enjoyed.
thing to say.
Okay, bye, guys.